One page, your health, your work, your money, your goals, your random ideas. Everything in your life organized without needing 10 different apps or a PhD in productivity. The simplest life planner that actually works. Free template at the end. Let's build it. New page, my life planner, compass icon. Less chaos, more clarity. Call out at the top with the only rule that matters. Open this every Monday, 5 minutes, that's all it takes. If your life planner needs more than 5 minutes a week, it's too complicated and you'll abandon it by Thursday. Now the dashboard, 6 lines that tell me how my life is going. This week's focus, 1 sentence. Health on track, needs attention or ignored. Work, same scale. Money on track, tight or help. Learning, growing, paused or stalled. Mood, great, okay or rough. I fill this in every Monday. It takes 30 seconds and it's the most honest conversation I have with myself all week. Now the life areas, 4 toggles, 1 for each part of my life. Health and fitness, work and career, finances, learning and growth. These are collapsible. I click to open, see what's inside, click to close. The page stays clean even when it has tons of content inside each area. Inside health, I write my current goals, exercise 4 times a week, drink 2 liters of water, sleep before 11, and below, quick notes. Started running on Tuesdays, knee feels better after stretching. No database needed here, just text, I update when things change. The knee note has been there for 3 months. At this point, it's more of a diary entry than a goal. Work and career. Current goals, publish 1 YouTube video per week, reach 50 subscribers by August, launch 2 more templates. Active projects, Notion tutorial series, currently on video 20, and freelance client work. Everything I need to remember about my career in 10 lines. When I open this toggle on Monday, I know exactly what I should be working on. This week, finances, quick snapshot, monthly budget, savings goal, current status, notes about what changed recently, and learning, what I'm currently studying and what I want to learn next. 4 toggles, 4 areas of my life. Each one takes 10 seconds to scan. When everything is closed, the page looks clean. When I need detail, I open 1 toggle and dive in. No clutter, no overwhelm. Now the one database that holds every task and project across all areas of my life. Not 4 separate databases, 1, because life doesn't come in neat categories. 4 properties, area, which part of my life? Health, work, money, learning, status. 3 options. To do, doing, done. Deadline for things with a date, and priority. Red circle, now, yellow soon, green later. That's it. No subtasks, no dependencies, no project phases. If I can't describe a task in 1 row, I'm overcomplicating it. First task, record video 20. Area work, status doing, because I'm literally doing it right now. Deadline June 25th, priority now. This is the task that's staring at me today. 1 row, full clarity. Renew gym membership. Health, to do, deadline. July 1st, priority soon. Not urgent today, but I'll forget if I don't write it down. I've forgotten to renew twice before. Both times I showed up to the gym and stood at the door like an idiot. Review monthly budget. Money to do end of the month. Priority soon. I do this every last day of the month. 5 minutes, check the numbers, adjust next month's plan. Start Python course. Learning to do. No deadline because it's not urgent. Priority later. It's in my system, so I won't forget about it, but it's not competing with things that matter today. Later means later, not never. It'll move to soon when I'm ready. Board view, grouped by status. To do, doing, done. My entire life in 3 columns. Every Monday, I look at the doing column. If there are more than 3 things there, something moves back to do. Same rule as my project system. 3 things in progress, maximum. Drag to move forward. That drag is the most satisfying click in my week. Last piece, the Sunday reset. This is what makes everything stick. Every Sunday evening with a coffee, 4 steps. Update the dashboard, 30 seconds. Scan each life area, 2 minutes. Check the task board, 2 minutes. Write next week's focus in 1 sentence, 30 seconds, 5 minutes total. Your entire life, reviewed and ready for Monday. Skip this and the system dies. Do this and it runs forever. That's your life planner. A dashboard that tells you how you're doing in 6 lines. 4 life areas with goals and notes tucked inside toggles. 1 database for every task across your entire life. And a 5-minute Sunday reset that keeps it all alive. 1 page, no complexity, no excuses. This is the 20th Notion system, I've built on this channel, and honestly, it's the one I wish I had started with. Free template in the description. Every single system I've built has a free template linked below. If you want to see all 20, check my setup tour, and I'm not stopping here. Tell me in the comments what Notion system you want next. Your idea becomes the next video. If you've been watching without subscribing, now's the time. Thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next one.